What does it mean when you trade a stock? One of the best ways to overcome an inflationary environment is to invest heavily in valuable resources. That is because a natural resource such as gold will not lose its intrinsic value. Everywhere you go on this planet, gold will always command good prices. That is why investing in gold stocks could shield you from a financial meltdown caused by overflowing money supply or hyperinflation. So as long as your dollars still have some value, it would be best to invest them in gold so that your personal wealth will not erode. Before paper money or currency has been invented, gold is a standard medium to facilitate exchange of goods and services. In ancient times, the amount of gold hoarded by kings reflected the economic power of kingdoms. During the mercantile stage of capitalism, entire continents have been conquered to increase the gold reserves of empires. During the Industrial Revolution, finance capital emerged as the dominant factor in driving economies. Nation-states therefore created currencies to facilitate trade and commerce. However, these currencies were still backed by the amount of gold reserves of a nation-state. In effect, gold still defined the wealth of nations during those times. In late 20th century, the United States removed gold as the standard reserve of its currency. The U.S. government therefore can produce paper dollars even without the backing of gold. This gave the federal government much power to increase the money supply in the economy. Printing of fiat dollars therefore became the norm as the money supply in the real economy accelerated because the financial discipline imposed by gold was absent. The irresponsible overflow of fiat dollars in the real economy resulted to inflationary turmoil, which is being felt today. Today, if you have $1 million savings, the real value of your money would be significantly lower. Moreover, the intensification of printing fiat dollars could wipe out your savings when hyperinflation hits the economy. But if you have heavy investments in gold stocks, your personal wealth will be secured. Gold is a perpetual valuable resource. Its market value is influenced only by inflation, but it will always be true to its real value. So if you have $1 million investments in gold stocks, your savings will not erode. In fact, it could only increase as the demand for gold continues to surge. That is why every practical-minded American should turn their sights on gold stocks investing. Investing in this sector could shield your money from the debilitating impact of inflation and hyperinflation. Investing in gold will also ensure that your lifetime savings will not be eroded by recessionary inflation. This way you can weather the recession without feeling its impact. There is still a way out of the mess created by the overflowing money supply. The situation may be bleak due to the prospects of hyperinflation. However, if you act now and invest in gold stock, your personal wealth and lifetime savings will be secured from economic collapse once hyperinflation renders the US dollar worthless.